There's something about getting outdoors, not just your backyard, but into the wild, into the places that push your imagination and limits. We understand the pursuit of the journey, the passion for adventure, the thrill of the chase. From the founders of Tepui, we now bring you HitchFire. With every outdoor pursuit comes the need for reliable, purpose-built, rugged gear. Something you never second guess, never doubt, just know and trust. We hear you. We understand. It's in our blood too. That's why we created the Forge 15. It's not a grill. It's adventure grilling.
Introducing the Coleman RoadTrip Portable Grill. This versatile grill folds to the size of a suitcase and features quick fold legs, tough wheels, and stand-up storage capability. Coleman's innovative technology offers 3 independent burners ranging from 350 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook low and slow or hot and fast, giving you the freedom to grill everything. Perfect for campground cookouts, backyard barbecues, and game day tailgates. The Coleman RoadTrip Portable Grill. Grill wherever you go.
The Weber Smokey Joe Charcoal Grill is the perfect fit for travel adventures or patio dinners. It may be the constant companion you have been waiting for. Like all Weber charcoal grill models, the Smokey Joe features a porcelain enameled bowl and lid baked on at approximately 1500 degrees Fahrenheit to provide the ultimate in quality and durability. No rust aluminum dampers on the lid and bowl. Adjust the heat the charcoal creates by adding or restricting airflow. For ease of handling, the grill has a glass-reinforced nylon handle set into the center top of the lid. The plated steel cooking grate provide ample cooking area. It's not just a handy portable grill. The Smokey Joe is a Weber charcoal grill, smaller in size, but never lacking in quality. This grill has been built to last for years. Take it home and then take it with you. Unmatched engineering, unmatched cooking performance, unmatched style. Weber for life. Get to know the Q1200, the single burner, portable gas grill that's upgraded with a lit thermometer and side tables to help you cook with freedom and confidence, whether you're at home or on the go. Built with a durable cast aluminum lid and body, its porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates create a 189 square inch cooking area that's large enough to grill an entire meal, retain high heat for photo-worthy sear marks, and hold heavy foods without warping. And with the Q1200's electronic ignition, stainless steel burner tube with 8,500 BTU per hour input, and infinite control burner valve, you'll be able to light your grill with ease and maintain a consistent gas flow across your entire cook surface. When you're done grilling, a removable catch pan underneath the cook box collects drippings for easy cleanup. Functionality meets modern design in the Q1200. Unmatched engineering, unmatched cooking performance, unmatched style. Weber for life.